y no sé qué, y true, no, y claro. Ah, pues te pone reality. We actually, bueno, yo te decía really, ¿no? Pero en realidad, I really, ¿sabes? En realidad quería ser músico, I really.
Okay. So this week I have this week
I really.
I really have been
I see.
working.
Exactly.
This weekend I really have been with my son.
Ajá,
My son. And that's all.
Okay. También tienes actually, ¿vale? En realidad.
Actually. Yeah.
Actually.
But many times, actually, I think
or
about
indeed también, indeed. ¿Vale?
Yeah.
Difícil, ahí sí. Indeed. O in fact.
Indeed.
O in fact. Yeah.
In fact.
Hay muchas. Es que es muy complicado de porque hay muchísimas.
Really.
Me vale cualquiera.
We try to remember that I really.
Or in fact.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I really have been in Serbia.
Okay.
Doing
I've been
to Serbia. Doing the same as every time, my routine.
Okay.
Doing the same routine.
Yeah, as every time.
No?
As usual.
As usually.
Que también está.
As every time is not correct.
No está, pero es así.
It's not correct as every time.
¿As?
As every time. No.
No, eso me suena